Hi guys, this is Custodio here, and this is a Postman beginner tutorial, and today we're going to talk about the query parameters. Okay, so how do you query parameters in Postman? How do you send a parameter in Postman? Well, you can do it in two ways. First way, you can add directly to the URL through a GET request. And second, you can open parameters option here on Postman and enter some key and value for the parameters. Okay, so let's put our hands on and work on it. First of all, let's go here in my Chrome browser, right? And you can see here in the URL that we have here, google.com/search and the key and the value, okay? Let's copy this whole address here, right? And let's go back to the Postman. Let's go click here to open a new tab and let's paste here the address. Okay, you can see here that when we pasted the URL, these query parameters here in this tab params, you can see here that the key was filled automatically, and you can see here that the value was also automatically filled. Okay, so let's uncheck this here, right? And you can check here that the parameter was gone. It was removed from our URL. Okay, but what we have is to send the parameters. So let's tick again and click here on this button send, and let's check the response. Okay, you can see here that the response is okay. This is the first way you can send a parameter. Let's work on the second way to send a parameter. Okay, the second way that you can send a parameter is through here, this tab parameter, right? Okay, you can see here that it's just filled up, but you can update. Click here and you can update this data. You can see here that it's automatically updated in the URL. And you can type here any parameter that you want. Let's put here television, right? Television. Okay, radio, whatever that you want. Okay, let's put here Postman, and let's click here on this button, send, to check again. Okay, you can see here that the response was okay, right? This is the two ways that you can query parameters, that you can send parameters in Postman. Okay, that's it for today. If you want to receive more content like this, please subscribe to this channel. My name is Custodio. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.